estate friends, it's Jennifer Nicole, and I've got some exciting news because this September 30th marks my 2-year anniversary of being a licensed real estate agent. But here's the funny part. The last 2 months of my 2-year career, I've gotten more done, more traction, more education, more support. Why? Because I made the wise decision to invest in my real estate future by making the power shift, the pivot to join eXp Realty with the one and only 10X empire builder herself. Yes, Elena Cardone, the wife to the one and only Grant Cardone. So, if you're looking to supercharge your real estate career, if you feel like you hit a glass ceiling and you have no more room to grow, if you've lost the passion, the zest, the get up and go, if you feel like you're not getting the support or the continuing education that you want with your real estate broker, I warmly invite you to join my team. You know, I've been a coach for 20 years. I'm a great leader. I build powerful teams that change lives. Being a 17-time author, I know what it means to put your passion into everything you do. So join my team and let's do this.